Hey, hi. Today we will do a demo of follow-up sequences, which has been implemented custom on Podio using services like our platform like Podio, Globiflow, and Zapier. I'll go through the apps first, then I'll show how it works and how you can operate this system. It has been already implemented in various workspaces by us, and let's get started. So basically, this is a lead app from where the follow-up sequences will be uh, added to a particular lead. We have different apps over here like task app. So follow-up sequence, uh, follow sequence app, follow sequence templates app, text app, email app, and voicemail app. And one more app is there, which is a setting app. I'll go one by one how these apps assist us to uh, run a very robust, dynamic, and good system, a good follow-up sequence system, which is similar to other services out there. And let's get started. So for example, we have all the tasks over here. So we have added all the templates for a real estate organization. So you can add specific tasks to your employees or colleagues, and all those tasks are over here. This is the task name. Let me open one of the tasks. Call new buyer lead. This will be the name of the task, description of the task, and you can add the assign as well. So basically you can assign a role into this in this task. Now I'll go to text app. So we right now have around 62 templates of of text, sample text, which we can use, and the the system can pick all the text or the SMS content from the text app. Similarly, for the email app, here we have around 65 template of email, and over here, like, this is the email subject, this is the email body. The F name will be automatically replaced by the name of the lead, and this is the content over here. Similarly, we have voicemail app as well, where you can add all the voicemails, and it will be also automatically will be picked up from the system. Now I'll go to the settings app. Or at the settings app, we add all the important details over here, like email signature, organization name, phone number, like uh, company office phone number, outgoing email signature. This is the email signature. So for example, if you have any changes in your email, you need not to change in the back end of the system or at multiple places. You can just change over here. Subject on email sent from comments. So we can also send emails through comments as well. So in that, the subject of the emails will be this. SMS message signature will be this. Similarly, there are various details over here which we can add. All right, now let's go to the follow-up sequence template. So over here we have 11, or we can say 10 email follow-up sequences which we can use. And when we say follow-up sequence template, so that means we have predefined template and for a follow-up sequence. So for example, this means that if you decide, or investor decide to add a lead to with this template, then the system will send automatically, as soon as this follow-up sequence is made active for that client. At that moment, text will be sent. At that moment, after 2 days of starting the follow-up sequence, the system will automatically send an email, which is this. After 4 days, again a SMS after 6 days, then a voicemail. After 8 days, an email. Similarly, you can modify the templates based on your own preferences by just adding and removing the stuff over here. So I already showed you that I have showed you task app, text app, voicemail app, and email app. You have the capability to select any of these at any instance, and you can also follow up with a lead with 100 days. So I believe this is clear from here. Let me do a live demo as well. So for example, I'll add a lead. I'll add a test lead. Let me pick up a existing lead address. It would look much more to the point. Or let's do one thing. Let me clone this one. So it will be Swift. Let me clone this one. Harry. Name is, let me just edit the email address so that I will receive the emails, and the phone number as well. It's a US one. Let me add mine, Indian phone number. Save. So my name is Harry. Contact reference. Let me remove all these stuff from here. Inside this. Now let's get started. Phone number. Save. City. These are important fields for any direct mailings. That's why it has been added over there. Seven 4 834. Let me just save this. I believe all the mandatory fields are being filled. Save. So now, if for example this is a lead, right, and a lead have a email address over there and the phone number and all that stuff. Let me just, so this is a formatting for US. Now you can see over here on the over here follow-up sequence selection. So this means which type of template you want to prefer for this lead. And I have already shown you in the template, the follow-up sequence template app, that you can strategize or create your own follow-up sequence based on the template. And these templates we have given the category field, and these templates are present over here. So as soon as the system, you will click on this, the system will apply the same follow-up sequence strategy onto this lead, right? So these are the, let me just do this. So these are the templates, template name, and these are the category field. So let me just see if, for example, in test, let me just do a test, and I'll email myself at 0 I will SMS as well. I'll select an SMS, and now let's get started. I'll click on test. As soon as the system notifies a system sees that we have clicked on this, it asks for an explicit or a manual permission to start a follow-up sequence. Let me just click on this, go back, and we can shortly expect a follow-up sequence lead added specifically for this lead. It has been added and it's an active lead. Let me just open this, and you can see that the system has implemented the same strategy from a template and copied and created a new item which is only for this lead. Now let's hope the first action is which option is best for you. This is the email which I'm expecting to be sent to myself shortly. So let's go to my email address. So outbound email is in tests is sent. Hi Harry. So you can see that over here the F name has been replaced by my name. So I believe I might have received the email as well. So Royce of Real Estate system has sent the email to me. And hi Harry, thanks for your time. Today and I can click on over here. So in every email we have given the facility to the user to unsubscribe for a sequencer. So what that will do, if I'll click on this, the system will unsubscribe himself from a follow-up sequence. And I'll just click on this. Let's wait. Now you can see there was a new comment. Note, seller has unsubscribed for the sequence test and the sequence has been cancelled. Please select a next action or a follow-up to call. Okay, and let me just refresh this lead. You can see that 2 minutes back it was, a few seconds back it was cancelled, right? So this is how follow-up sequence work, and other things as well which we can do is we can send emails as well from comments. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me reply on this email. Okay. So I'm hoping I've sent a reply to the email which the system has sent, and I'm expecting one reply received. Hey, I'm interested. Please call me at this phone number. And similarly for SMS as well, if the system has sent the SMS, and unfortunately I cannot show the testing of SMS because I have an Indian phone number, and unfortunately the phones only over here will be, the SMS will be delivered to only US numbers only. And we can send email to comments as well. Let's do that. Okay. Let me go to the back end and see what's happening. So yes, actually this was not the correct format. This is the correct format in which we don't need any space between the colon. I believe I have received an email from the system. Yes. Hey, let's test another one. Your friend address. This is the